Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you, and I'm going to tell you, how can you get the Amazon Prime benefits, okay? So, there are actually multiple different methods that you can get the Amazon Prime benefits, but once you do them, one of the main things is actually having a Prime, an activated Prime Video account, because basically this is the one that is going to give you all the benefits on every single Amazon department application. So the first thing is that once you're actually any eligible account that you have on Amazon Prime, you're going to get a 5%. You're going to get 5% back on any purchases. That includes any memberships, any groceries, anything that you buy. You're going to get a 5% off, a 5% back, 5% money that you're going to get. Also, you're going to get millions of free ad-free songs that you're going to get free once you have once you have this Prime benefits, okay? And you can get much and much more, but I gave you the two most interesting benefits that you're going to get. So basically, this is how you can get the basically these are one of the many Amazon Prime benefits. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you later.